In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a webhook in make.com. A webhook is simply a unique URL that listens for incoming HTTP requests. When that URL receives data, it instantly wakes up your make.com scenario and runs it in real time. That means no polling, no delays, and a smoother experience for anything that needs to react the moment something happens. Start by logging in to make.com and opening a new scenario. From your dashboard, click Create a new scenario to launch the editor. This is where you'll build your automation, beginning with the trigger that starts everything. Click the plus icon to add your first module. In the search bar, type webhooks and select it. Choose the custom webhook trigger. This tells Make to wait patiently for data from an external app or another scenario instead of pulling on a schedule. In the module settings, click Create a webhook. Give it a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, like New LED Webhook, then save. Make will instantly generate a unique webhook URL. Treat this link as sensitive, because anyone who can send data to it can trigger your scenario. Copy the address to your clipboard and paste it into the app or service that will send the data. This could be a form tool, your CRM, a payment platform, or even your own code. Most tools will have a webhook or callback settings area where you paste the URL. If the external tool asks for a method, POST is the most common, and JSON is a typical format for the payload. Now it's time to test. In Make, click Run once so the scenario starts listening. Then trigger the event in your external app, such as submitting a test form or sending a test request. When the data reaches Make, you'll see a successful execution and the webhook module will display the payload it received. Open the output to review the fields. This is how you'll know exactly what you can map forward. With the webhook working, continue building your automation. Add the next modules you need. Maybe insert a row in Google Sheets, send an email, or post a message to your team chat, and map the incoming fields from the webhook output into those actions. This mapping step ensures the right values go to the right places every time the webhook fires. Before you finish, rename your scenario clearly, save it, and turn it on. You now have a real-time automation powered by a make.com webhook, ready to run the moment your external app sends data.